Well, today's Sunday, January 3rd, 2016, and got this all welded together. The only problem I got is this ear's bent, and I spent a couple 3 hours yesterday trying to straighten that with a couple of 30-ton jacks, and there's just no way of doing it. This side's welded back together. It's nice and straight. The pin's in the bottom, so there's no bend in the bottom part. The bend is in this ear. So other than burn the complete ear off and weld it back on straight, or have it straightened, decided just to cut it through here, put it back in, get it lined up, and then re-weld it. This is 1.5 inches thick, so I'll have to V it out to the middle on both sides and clean it up, clamp it back together, put the pin in it, get everything lined up where it's got to be, and then weld that side back in and fish blade it. So today I'm just going to cut it off and get it fitted up and tacked back together, and then come tomorrow and finish welding it up. Got about a day's work left on it after today. Just no other way of doing it. If you get any stress on that pin, that pin's a hardened pin, it'll break. And even if you force it in there, you'd have a hard time forcing it in there. Best thing to do is just to fix it. So that's today's project. I'll take another little short one of it cut apart and lined up before I weld it. But I'll have to plate it like I did this side. Here, I put this plate in on both sides after I welded it. The only thing is, it'll be just a short plate instead of this long one. Probably see a little bit of bend in it. And it's twisted. Not only is it bent, it's got a twist in it. You gotta have 13.5 inches between these bushings to get the end of the stick in there. And you can't force that in, because there's just no way. So this is what we got to do. I think it's 28 today with a little bit of a breeze. 28 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, there it is cut out. It's off the 1/4 inch that I couldn't get it to go together to close these up. All I gotta do is weld it. A little bit of work there. And if you just bump the pin a hair, it's real easy. So that's where it's gotta be at. Lined up down here. Not a lot you can do with it. Gaps are closed up. The only thing holding this one side over is this little C-clamp. I think that'll take care of that. Now I gotta get the welding leads out. We're starting to get some snow now. Get the welding leads out and start welding. Not going to work too late today. Maybe another hour. That'll let me get some welding done on this. As you can see, it's a pretty good size unit. Well, this is 3 weeks later. Got this grapple on them together. I don't see any cracks showing up in any of these welds. I told them I'd come back and check it out. They've been beating it up pretty good. This turned into be quite a little project. Yeah, the plating and everything in there all seems to be okay. This is on a Doosan. They've been beating it up pretty good. I guess it'll hold. Warranty's up anyway. Thanks for watching.